Hello, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This week at everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock. With news, all eyes are now on the weekend Jackson Hole meetings. First in the US, and on the heels of yesterday's data showing new home sales falling while prices rose, today brought data showing the same thing for existing home sales. Lower volumes sold also brought a rise in prices to a median of 258,200, which is up 6.2% from the same month a year ago. Despite the volume slip, supply is tight, especially in the south and west of the US, and sales contracts are completing within 30 days, an unusually short time. There is pent-up demand here, pressured because new home supply isn't coming on strong enough. In American financial markets, they are taking the risk of a US default seriously. Investor anxiety is beginning to manifest in shorter Treasury tenors. The spread between 1 and 3 month bills has collapsed to about just 1.6 basis points, the flattest since February, as investors start demanding higher rates on 1 month paper relative to 3 month securities in order to compensate for the default risk. The political talk is getting even more toxic as the president flings wild accusations. In China, lenders paid the highest interest rate in more than 2 years to borrow short-term government funds, adding to recent signs of a mismatch between the demand and supply of cash. But markets are also interested in the Jackson Hole speeches this weekend over what to do to wind back the $14 trillion in QE holdings, on which another eye-watering $400 trillion in worldwide assets depend. And then there's the matter of whether Janet Yellen wants to stay on at the Fed for a second term. And staying in the US, new research on HNA shows that the company probably violated Chinese securities laws in a way that the former SOE became a private company and held by a tight-knit family group. In Australia, the real estate industry is battling low listing volumes as the market slows quickly. For example, it has taken a real toll on listed real estate agency McGrath, whose full-year net profit dropped 42% to under $5 million. In New York, the US Treasury 10-year yield is up today, now at 2.2% and recovering. The oil price is down by about $1 today, now just under $47.50 a barrel, while the Brent benchmark is just on $52. The price of gold is also slightly lower, down $3 to $1,286 an ounce. But the Kiwi dollar is basically unchanged today at 72.2 US cents. On the cross rates, we're also stable at 91.3 Aussie cents and 61.1 euro cents. As a result, the TWI stays at 74.6, and that's holding at its lowest level in 4 months. I'm David Chaston. That was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.